Hi, Drew with Clearance Technology here. This is part 2 in a video series on how to check for continuity in shorts in an explosion-proof spill buster auto seeker. Now at this point we've eliminated the probe extension cable as a point of failure. We have continuity through there where it should be, and we don't have any shorts. So we've now narrowed down our loss of continuity between pin A coming from this connection here to our socket in our connector pocket on the auto seeker's barrel. Now, going forward, we're going to have to remove this cover. Sometimes it can be on there fairly firmly. So it's usually just as simple as getting some kind of bar. I'm using a large crescent wrench here to loosen it, and then just carefully remove the cover. Now this acts as a housing for the drive motor, and you will find the motor right underneath it. What we're going to be checking is a Molex connection. You can see right there that connects two wire sets. Should have a pair of needle nose pliers handy for this. And try to reach in. Don't mind that sound. That's one of our other systems testing in our test stand here. Be careful, you don't want to damage any of these wires, but remove that Molex connection from this housing. Once you've done that, disconnect the two sides of this. And we're first going to check for continuity on this side of the system. So that would be this connection here and this socket side of the Molex connector. As I mentioned earlier in this video, you are working with two wire sets here. Since the connection we're concerned with is the pin A right here, we only need to know what that connects to. And pin A connects to the orange and then yellow wire. These are the two sides of a mating pair. So we're going to check, since we know we have continuity through the rest of the wires here, we're going to check the socket with the orange wire, which should be socket 1 on this Molex plug, and pin A. It does not appear that we have a connection there. Our meter is working. We are making solid connection with metal on both sides here. And we have nothing. To verify, let's check with the pin that goes to the yellow wire on this side of the connection and socket A on the inside of our connector pocket. We have a connection there. So what that indicates is that our loss of connection is in this part here. Now, this can actually be removed from this housing like so. If you attempt this, I advise you to pay attention to this closed nipple here. Because if it starts moving, if this starts moving independent of this nipple, you should stop. However, if the nipple moves only within the box here, like so, you can see that mark there shows that it's moving, then you can remove it like so. This part alone can be sent back to our facility for repair or replacement.